Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Mitsubishi Lancer ES. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mitsubishi has less than 201,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.